Yo, what up, David? What's good? Weekly outlook and prediction, stocks and crypto. I think AMC is going to beat earnings. I think we're going to have a red week for SPY, green week for AMC, GME. I think AMC is going to take off despite what happens. The only thing I have to worry about is if we get attacked. Right now, they don't have a lot of short shares. They have 5.8 million. That could change as early as tomorrow morning. I think AMC is going to pop off. And if you watch my video, you know AMC is going to pop off. I have another video coming this Friday where I made predictions about AMC stock. And we'll see if they come to fruition. This is the video where you see literally a line out front of people. And there was like a tour bus and a tent there. There was literally a tent and a tour bus at the AMC I went to. Watch this video if you missed it. 1.5K views. Make sure you check that out. AMC thriving. AMC thriving. AMC thriving. Falling wedge in play. Game, stop. A little bit of a falling wedge in play here. So we could see a little bit more downside for a GameStop before a pop up. But we're definitely going to see recovery on GME. And AMC is about to blast off, not financial advice. Institutions buying in the close. Yeah. Institutions buying after hours. Yeah, we're about to pop off. What up, High Energy? What's good with you? How you feeling? GameStop about to pump. ANC about to pump. This is what we want. What we want. Yeah. And then I believe GameStop comes up and breaks out. We have a gap fill to the upside. Bullish! SPY goes a little bit higher. SPY goes a little bit higher and then corrects down. Let me check stock futures real quick, but I'm thinking red week for SPY. Futures are slightly up. So yeah, you'll probably see some excitement pre-market. You'll pull back. You'll go a little bit higher. But I think we're going to dump some for this week. I think we're going to have some type of hard dump. Let me see how big this bear flag is, because the bear flag could take a couple days to play out. We'll probably go up and make a double top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's probably going to be a slight green week. I'm going to have to go slight green week. We're going to have to slow slight green week. But we're going to see dumpage here coming soon. I'm going to go a slight green week. So basically, you're going to see us push up a little bit higher and then pull back this week. And then next week, or late this week, you could see dumpage. We have till the 18th, I believe. This is to the weekly outlook and prediction. Stocks and crypto news. $8.15. So we have inflation, which looks like it's going to come out hot. But it looks like it's going to come out the same or lower. Well, some of it's going to come out hotter. So that's going to be like a mixed bag. We have PPI and then we have retail sales. All right, slight green week, but there's a chance of downside dumpage towards the later half of the week. Slight green week SPY, green week GameStop, green week AMC. And AMC pops off for earnings. I'm not scared. The only thing we got to worry about is if we get attacked. If we get attacked, we're screwed. So that's the only thing I'm really worried about is getting attacked. But they only have 5.8 million short shares. That could change. But from what I've seen rallying heading into earnings, this is very bullish. We're probably going to continue to the upside, and we have bullish technicals as well. So I'm actually very bullish on AMC right now. And I think we're going to have like at least a 5 to 10% green week. I think we actually pop off for earnings this time. We definitely are going to beat earnings expectations without a doubt. Not only this earnings, but next earnings. Now, crypto, guys. Crypto has been going insane, ladies and gentlemen. We're also seeing potentialities of alright, crypto is now in extreme greed. 58.5% BTC dominance coming down, ETH dominance coming up. Bitcoin going back to 118 after breaking above sloping support and resistance. Now, the fact that this is happening, right now BTC is in a rising wedge, so it will break down. It is going to break down. And probably come back down for another retest of this and then launch. So we're about to see something special in the crypto market. It's about to break out exactly like I said it would and launch. But it's going to break down before that. So we're going to see micro short-term downside and then macro upside. Bitcoin is about to go for a new all-time high. Ethereum hit my 4.2K price target. Okay? I told you guys this would be happening with the macro accumulation breakout. My predictions and tweets are prophecy. Whales are buying. Okay? So this is the macro accumulation breakout. 4.2 to 4.5. And that's exactly where we're headed. We're already headed to 4.5. So prepare. I'm right about everything. Prepare. Thank you, High Energy. Appreciate you for being here, brother. Kai Supreme in the building. Kai Supreme, we got to get a membership. We got to get Kai Supreme a membership. So, yeah, ETH is breaking out of a macro accumulation. This is massive. ETH is about to go for a new all-time high. It's setting new highs for 2025. It's higher than it was before. I'm telling you guys, it's about to make a new all-time high. 4.5 is coming, and possibly $5,000 is coming for Ethereum. 5,000 per ETH! Yes, believe it or not. So yeah, ETH will be hitting 4.5 to 5,000 here very soon. And this is confirming we're about to see something special in cryptocurrency. So if you hold crypto, type a C in the chat because you're about to be up. All my crypto holders finna be up. Finna be up. Yo, my crypto holders, they're finna make money. My crypto holders, yeah, finna make some bread. AMC about to go up too. Life is about to be great. Life's about to be great. I just spent 10K on a brand new chain. That's actually insane. I don't know why I did this. I could have bought a car, and instead I bought a necklace. I spent 10K on my necklace. Do you guys think I spent too much? It's like, I'm kidding. I didn't spend 10 bands on it. XRP is in a bit of a falling wedge. So I think XRP, there's a lot of buy orders here at XRP for like 320. which is awesome because I bought XRP down here at like 310, and there's a huge block of buy orders here. So most likely XRP is gonna start like moving back up, but it seems like they're trying to pin it to accumulate, but it looks like it might bounce off this trend line and push up. So we could see XRP push up, and what we need to see from XRP, the golden level we want to see XRP break is $3.35, because if XRP can break and hold $3.35, we're going back up into this upper range of 350 to 366, and that upper range of 350 to 366 is where XRP could blast off and make a new all-time high. If it increases in value, it's never too much. Well, I actually got my chain for actually really, really cheap, and I think I could sell it for more if that's what you're talking about. I got my necklace for really, really cheap. It's a 22-inch chain with a two-tone yellow rose gold pendant. I got it for a pretty good price. They were fair to me. I'm pretty sure I could take this necklace and sell it for like $200 to $500 more than I paid for it. And then I could probably go back to that same place and get a bigger one. They really hooked me up. They really hooked me up there where I went. I'm almost certain I could sell this necklace for at least $200 to $500 more than I paid for it, and go get a bigger one from that same place. They hooked me up. They really did help me out. I'm actually really grateful. All right, so alright, I'm gonna make a new. Kind of like this bear flag rising wedge structure. For sure. All right, I think that's going to be really, really, really good. I think this prediction is going to be really good. Where we get we bounce off of this support, we get a huge blow off top, and then we pull back. Something similar to this is definitely what's coming. So a nice blow off top to pull back. Similar to what we've seen here where we got this huge pop to drop. And this is a bear flag for sure. So we have a bear flag on NASDAQ and a bear flag on SPY. And this is 100% a bear flag. You drop down bearish consolidation. It's a bear flag if I've ever seen it. So, massive bull trap on SPY. Massive bull trap on SPY coming. Bull trap. Bull trap. What up, Josh? I got gold, I got silver, I got XRP, I got Ethereum, I got Bitcoin, I got cash. I feel like I'm diversified. Now my silver and gold is kind of poop because I literally only have a gold necklace and chain. I have no actual gold bullion or anything like that. And my silver's all from silver coins. So like from like quarters, old quarters, British trade dollars, 1911 British trade dollars. I have some Kennedy dollars, some Franklin, I think Roosevelt, I think it is. So my silver is not that. And somebody took a little of my silver collection. They stole from me.
Hey TJ, you made this?
So my connection's a little bit down, but it is what it is. Making sure no one messaged me about Discords. So guys, the only thing I'm worried about is AMC getting massively attacked. But from what I can see here, we're probably going to see a little bit more pullback on GameStop than a pop to the upside. You're probably going to see a little bit of pullback on AMC than a pop to the upside. I believe AMC is actually going to do good for earnings. Now, they might try to short us down, but it is what it is. They might try to short us down, but it is what it is. Yes, Bitcoin is 1,000% about to make a move. We have a Bitcoin rising wedge, but we broke above the sloping support and resistance. So now that this prediction played out, I told you guys that we're going to pop up and break out. Now that this played out, I'm going to erase that and show you guys what is going to be happening next. So you'll probably see Bitcoin do something maybe like this. It'll break down, find a bottom, and then push up hard. But you're going to see Bitcoin most likely go for a new all-time high here very, very soon. Is what you're most likely going to see. Maybe even like a retest of the sloping support and resistance. Like maybe even like a retest of this sloping support and resistance, and then retest that and just really take off. Yeah, I think SPY's topping out though. You guys have to believe what you want and think what you want, but I think SPY's topping out. You'll probably see like a little bit more downside for SQQQ than a pump up is what we'll probably see. All right, chat is active. That's what I love to see. 34 people in the building. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. We're going to get this video underway shortly. I want to have the video done by 8:30. I wish I had a whole Ethereum, but I don't. I think I have a little bit over like a quarter ETH or something like that. ETH is definitely about to make a move up. I think ETH is like... Guys, there's single moms in my area that want banged. Apparently, according to this email. There's single moms in my area within 5 miles. Yeah, if you see that, that's called a scam, bud. Bro, I'm telling you, crypto, something special is about to happen. Yeah, we touched down. Okay, so my top coins are Bitcoin is my biggest, XRP, Ethereum, a Cardano, and XLM. That's a top solid 5 coins, I say. That's really solid for 5 coins. Bro, you're gonna get perma-banned, dog. Keep fucking around. You about to get perma-banned, son. Thank you for being such a good man, Bano. I appreciate you. Cool AMC video. Yes, AMC is thriving. I got another one coming out for us, too. I got another one coming. So we got one more video coming, baby. I appreciate anybody who watched. Oh my God, thank you for the super chat, bro. J-Max, thank you, dude. Was not expecting a super chat on the weekend. Much appreciated, bro. That's huge, brother. Thank you.
What's good, DZ? Let's shave a week AMC.
Bro, I'm hoping for a nice green week, bro. Unless we get attacked, we should be straight. Bro, the super chat on the weekend's huge, brother. I think Ethereum is about to make a move here. Bitcoin's at 119,000, guys. Bitcoin tracking, Bitcoin tracking. Yeah. 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 Bitcoin about to make a move. This is how we do. You know what it is. Yo, crypto's about to make a very special move. Yeah, Bitcoin is setting up for a move. So basically what I'm expecting is like short-term upside. Well, short-term downside because we're going to move up a little bit higher. Then we'll break down. And then that should lead to a big pump where we could head to a new all-time high. Hopefully that's what happens. But that's what should be happening soon. AMC, I think, is going to be good, and I actually think we do well, and I think that this recent move to the downside was a shakeout. I sent both links, man. I don't know. I can't believe my birthday's coming up again. Right now at GameStop, 4.6 million. AMC, 5.8 million. I think cost of borrow might start going up because price is going up. What a super chat. No way. Sister Super! Sister Super! Sister Super! We're getting supers! When ADA make a move, will AMC be allowed to rise? Bro, I feel like AMC moves with altcoins. ADA's pushing up nicely. I don't know if you've seen the charts for ADA.
Will AMC be allowed to rise?
I think AMC is gonna rise, bro.
Here's to
Thank
AMC
you,
ripping this week.
5150.
Money back, money back, money back, money back. Are you streaming early tomorrow, bro? We needs yatin, man.
I don't know, man. If I stream early, that means I'm gonna have to stream all the way to 5:30, bro. Or 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. You already know, man. That should be long. But I'll be streaming AMC earnings, which is gonna be at 5:30, so. Dude, I really appreciate the super chats. Can we get some hype in the chat for these guys, please? I'll try to get on as early as possible. Oh shit, it looks like ETH about to go green. Cardano ADA, here's my predictions. So Cardano ADA is going to start moving up. Following my prediction perfectly. Ada's like my 4th biggest holding or something like that. AMC's gonna pull back in the morning and then pop to the upside. We're gonna retest 290, maybe 290, 293. We're gonna pop off, bro. I'm telling you guys, green, bro. I'm telling you, green week on AMC, bro. AMC's gonna beat earnings. AMC's gonna beat earnings. Yo, thank you guys for the super chats on the weekend. Hey, thank you for the super chat. Yeah, Bitcoin is making moves for sure. Dude, thank you for a freaking another 5-piece. It is my birthday is coming up soon, September 1st. So 5150, I agree with you, brother. Hey, I can't say no to that. I can't say no to that. Let's get the hype train rolling. It's up to you guys,
we
though,
have
man.
35 people in the house. Let's hype the man. A $2 piece if anything. Folded hands, medium skin tone. Folded hands, medium skin tone. Folded hands, medium skin tone. Nothing is free, especially knowledge and super tea.
Nothing is free. That is real talk. Bro, thank you for the freaking 5-piece. You're out of control, dude. Thank you. You heard the man. Everybody give up a 2-piece.
JK, really? That's good news.
Yeah, Bitcoin is pushing right now. It's in a rising wedge, but it's definitely pushing right now. So Ethereum should be moving up as well then. Looks like ETH's going to move up. And this is very bullish. Crypto's definitely about to do something special. Crypto's definitely about to do something special. We have XRP in a huge buy zone right now. So XRP could definitely be seeing a pop to the upside here soon. Hopefully it does. But things are looking good. I'm going to break down the video here in a minute, guys. AMC earnings. Let's see if Adam Aaron tweeted anything. Watch him say dilution. The only thing that's going to ruin us if he says dilution. Funny how he says nothing and how the box office is thriving. Close to the summer 2025 boxes is showing a strong rebound with overall earnings projected to be close to $4 billion, an 18% increase. A Minecraft movie, Sinners, F1, Superman, Fantastic Four. Fantastic Four was dope. Did you guys see Fantastic Four? I thought that movie was dope. That was the last movie I just seen. I have another video coming out Friday, guys. I got another On the Boots investigation on Friday. You guys seem to like those videos. If you missed it, please check it out, man. Please check out that video if you guys missed it. I might actually make that the I might actually make that the head of the channel video right now. How do I forget how to do that. Where when as soon as I come up and click my channel, that's the video that plays. $1.6K views, guys. Thank you so much. Yeah, 5150, you went crazy today. Thank you, bro. Looks like Ethereum's curling up. Yo, Bitcoin, bro. Bitcoin. 119,200. Alright guys, I'm getting ready to start this video here in a few minutes. Big thanks to anybody watching right now. I appreciate you.
I didn't want to do this.
got 35 in the freaking building right now. 35 in the freaking building. In the building, 35 in the building. You know what it is. Alright, Sciatic is acting up, so we gotta do this video one take only. Looks like ETH is about to go green on the day. ETH is about to go green on the day, guys. Life is good. ETH about to go green on the day. Life is good. Yeah, we'll see if we can. AMC earnings. Let me take these box office. Let me put this on a tweet. Now we also have more movies coming out. So there's more movies coming out. Avatar's coming out. Alright, so I had to put this on a tweet. Oh, shoot. I need more. Damn it. All right. We got 3.1 billion. 2025 summer box office number spanning from the early May to Labor Day has been seen. Strong performance with domestic total exceeding 3.1 billion. Domestic total, baby. Then we got some breakdown here, so some numbers here. Some key points. And what I seen in the video, man, this video was insane. There was literally like a tour bus outside. All right. So that's what I need for the video. I got some numbers. And contributors to success like a Minecraft movie, Lilo and Stitch, F1, Superman, Jurassic World.
Yo, 14, you got another one.
Wait, is Fantastic Four not doing good? with big box office dive, 60% drop. I thought this movie was good, bruh. I thought it was better than the Superman movie. Maybe I'm tripping. I don't think so. I don't know. I saw both movies. I saw Superman and I saw this. This movie was better. I'll ask other people too what they thought. That seen both of them. A summer sequel remake, Fantastic Four, Superman, Lilo and Stitch, among other box office winners. We got total numbers though. I got total numbers here. 3.1 billion domestic. That doesn't count overseas. So I believe AMC beats earnings expectations. Let me make sure I wrote that right. I believe AMC will beat earning expectations. Now, will the price go up? That's another matter. They love to dump short shares and have AA announce dilution, spread FUD around earnings. We will see what happens, but from what I see on the ground, which I literally went into and witnessed, not just one location, but 2 different locations in my area were thriving, okay? So that means simultaneously, most likely both locations were thriving. So I don't know what they're talking about. Now, I live in a big city. I live in Tampa. So I don't know about these smaller areas, but where I'm at, this shit was cracking. Both locations. I got another video coming out Friday showing another location. What is Lord Infamous? I got a video coming out Friday showing another location. Any buyers or anything like that? Okay. And then the stock market news was like bearish, but I found also bullish articles as well. We're gonna have a slight green week, and then shit's gonna start getting hairy, potentially as early at the end of this week. SPY is gonna push up in this bear flag and then collapse. But we'll see what happens. All right. I've been live for an hour and a half. Holy shit, I didn't realize. Turn up. Turn up. I be saying the dumbest shit. Alright, hold on. Hello, everybody. It's your boy. In the flesh. Here we are. Alright. Let's see here. I guess that's all we got. I think we beat earning expectations, and I actually think price rises. I think we have a green week. Now, let's see what happens though, because they love to attack us. So we gotta come in this cautiously optimistic. But everything I see here, from the technicals to the fundamentals, are looking good. So the only thing that could literally interfere with this is some type of wild manipulation. But I feel like price is gonna go up. Let's check TradingView just real quick to see if there's any buy orders. I don't see any. Let's zoom out. No, very strange pattern though. This could lead to a huge double bottom. This could lead to a huge double bottom. Bottom one. And then if we were able to get back up to 360, oh my God. Breakout. Guys, price is going to go up. Okay. They have sell orders at $3. Price is going to go up. Let's check the options chain real quick. Let's take all the clues. August 15th is our expiration. Heavy stack calls. As high as $8. $3 calls stacked. If you want to get risky, $3 calls. Oh, so if Adam Aaron dilutes, we're screwed, just so everyone knows. If he announces dilution, we're screwed. But people are buying $3 calls and $3.50 calls. We're stacked heavy calls. It is what it is. Green week for AMC, my boys. Ladies and gents, my fam. I don't care. I'm going head on into the abyss. And I'm saying green fucking week! I ain't scared of nothing. GameStop green week, SPY green week, let's get it. I'm finna do this one take only. Yeah, if AMC dilutes, we're screwed, bruh. Do you have Pepe coin? Hell no, bro. I only have top projects, dog. My crypto account is my retirement account. All right? And right now I got baby money. I need to stack. Shit's getting expensive. That's why I need crypto. Because crypto's the only place that I see 5x, 6x, 7x, and still have upside opportunity. Crypto is that place. Oh shit, I'm tripping. See, I'm very passionate about crypto. I have a very good case. Thank God. Ladies and gentlemen, you are back for another video. This is your weekly outlook and prediction for stocks and crypto. This video is not financial advice, should not be taken as such. Please do your own research and due diligence for buying any stock or crypto asset. With that being said, let's go and hop on the charts, facts, data showing you what is going on for this week. Now, obviously, we're going to be looking at the meme stocks, stock market, and crypto. Meme stocks first. Biggest thing is going to be AMC earnings, okay? Now, I did tweet this. Go ahead and follow me on Twitter/X. As you guys can see, the box office is absolutely thriving right now. 3.1 billion is the numbers we're getting right now. A Minecraft movie, F1, Lilo and Stitch, Superman, Jurassic World, Fantastic Four. There's also more movies coming out, okay? I just dropped a video showing you guys. There was literally a line at the movies, lots of people at the movies, a tour bus at the movies, a tent at the movies. So make sure you guys watch that video as well. But from what I can see on the ground, literally going to the movies and seeing things, people are buying food, people are going to the movies, and the movies are thriving. And from what I can see on the news and the numbers that we're getting, the movies are thriving. I believe that AMC will beat earnings expectations in my personal opinion. And I think we're even set up for next earnings as well. But that is in the future. I'll get to that. But as far as this earnings, I think we are going to do good. Now, we have to worry about some things, obviously, with this being AMC. We have to worry about Adam Aaron, the so-called silverback, guys. We have to worry about this guy announcing possible dilution. I'm going to keep it 100 with you guys, all right? I can't sugarcoat nothing, bro. If he dilutes, it's a wrap, all right? I'm going to just let you guys know the price is going to go down, and it's going to go down for a while, okay? So if he dilutes, I'm telling you guys, the price is going to go down. I know some of you guys like dilution and stuff like that. I'm not going to argue with you. Listen, I'm going to tell you what's going to happen if he dilutes. The price is going to go down. It's going to go down for a while. Other than that, though, from the technicals and fundamentals, we are set up to go up. So the only thing I'm worried about is Adam Aaron diluting. But I'm going into this thing no fear, man. Because I feel like this time is different. I feel like this time is different. We're going to move to the upside. We're going to see what happens, though. I am predicting a green week here for AMC, though. Based off what I'm looking at here, I'm going to explain and break that down on why I think that. You guys can see that we're actually getting this bullish consolidation we pushed up here on Friday. That's very rare for us to push up on a Friday. We're holding key levels. We're at 295. I believe we could see another move to the upside as long as we break back above and hold 295. Now, if we go ahead and look at the options chain, you guys can see the options chain is actually stacked to the call side. I talked about this on the live stream. So if you go ahead and look at August 15th expiration here, AMC call option is stacked to the call side. Very little puts. People are buying $3 calls, $3.50 calls, and there's as high as $8 calls. But $3 and $3.50 are getting loaded up on, and we are stacked heavy to the call side. So that is good. Now, they do have 5.8 million short shares available to short. That could change as early as tomorrow morning, so we have to be aware of that. That's a decent amount, but it's not as crazy as we've seen as they started shorting coming into earnings, really trying to push us down before earnings. The fact that we popped to the upside on Friday is very, 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 very bullish. If we do get past that $3 mark, you're going to see a nice pop to the upside for AMC. Earnings is going to be in after hours. I will be streaming it. That's where most of the volatility is going to be. But I'm telling you guys also, Monday is going to be wild as well. Okay, so we're going to see volatility mostly in after hours. And I will be streaming it. But the Monday trading day will be wild. I believe we could see upside heading into earnings. If we do, if we start moving towards $3 and holding that in earnings, that's going to be very, very good. A sign that we're moving in the right direction, and then we'll see after hours and see when Adam Aaron gets on the call and see how that goes, and when the numbers come out. But I believe that we are going to beat on earnings and beat analysts' expectations, in my personal opinion. Now, as far as technicals are concerned, we do have a bullish setup here for AMC, where if we move back up towards like 363, we could see a double bottom play out. So you could see bottom 1 and then bottom 2, getting a nice push to the upside here. Right here, as we break out of that wedge, if we can get back up to that 363 level, you could see a nice move to the upside. So again, that's all going to depend on if we can get past $3. $3, they do have some sell walls here, so they are expecting it to go that high. I'm expecting us to probably break $3 here on Monday and start pushing to the upside. And I actually do have like a 325 price target here for AMC for this week. We'll probably actually get the move towards a little bit closer to 350 if everything goes our way. But again, we do have to worry about Adam Aaron diluting or anything like that. But other than that, I think we are good. And I am expecting us to break and hold $3 this week, in my personal opinion, giving AMC a green week. Now, as far as GameStop is concerned, GameStop's in an overall falling wedge, so I believe that GameStop could see a little bit more downside, but most likely what you're going to see is GameStop hold $22.31 or $22 even, and then push to the upside. There's a gap fill to the upside here for GameStop, and it is in this falling wedge, so most likely it's going to start moving up, especially if AMC starts to push up, and that's going to put pressure on the shorts from both angles. That's exactly what we want to see. We want to see both of the stocks moving up in tandem. That gives us the best chance to knock the shorts off of their feet, because it's both of the shorts that are stocked. I know people don't want to normally believe this, or some people disagree with this, but the same short sellers that are short GME are short AMC, most of them. Okay, not every single short seller that is in AMC and GME are in both of them, but majority of the people that are short GME are short AMC and vice versa. So again, we want to see both of these stocks move up in tandem. And based off from what I'm seeing here, as GME had this pullback for the last couple of days, making this falling wedge, it will be very, very easy for GME to also get a green week, in my personal opinion. So I believe both AMC and GME are going to be having a green week and start moving to the upside. GME will definitely start moving back towards like $22.80, potentially $23 in my personal opinion, especially once we break out of this overall falling wedge. Again, I will be live, so if you guys want to track this, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. But as far as AMC and GME are concerned, I do think we're going to move to the upside. If we go ahead and look at some of the numbers here that we're looking at for AMC and GME, again, they have 5.8 million short shares here for AMC. Short interest is sitting at 16.50%. GME, at time of recording, they have 4.6 million short shares. This could change as early as tomorrow morning. AMC, cost to borrow, is sitting at time of recording 0.53%. I'm expecting cost of borrow to go higher, especially if price does. They've been shorting a lot, and that could come back to bite them, especially if price starts to move up. Things could definitely get explosive. GME is sitting at 0.42% cost of borrow. GME, same story. They've been shorting a lot. Cost of borrow has been remaining flat, kind of trending down. I'm expecting cost of borrow to go up, especially if we can get price to start moving to the upside. That could help things get explosive. You want to see cost of borrow over at least 1%. So again, they've been able to keep cost of borrow low. If we do see cost of borrow get over 1%, that's normally when we start to see the price move up. And it's a little bit better for us because that means it's more expensive for them to get short shares, and they can't build up these short shares as easy. So this is what we're looking at for AMC and GME. Green week for both of those. Fundamentals are looking sound in my personal opinion. GME is profitable. They're also sitting on Bitcoin, which they are up on that position. Bitcoin is actually doing very, very nice here, as you guys can see. AMC, we already broke it down with the box office and on-the-ground investigations that AMC is literally thriving, so the fundamentals look good there. And as far as technicals are concerned, again, this bullish divergence is playing out. RSI trending up, price trending down. I told you AMC will flatten out and correct up. I believe they're going to see a continuation here. You guys can see that we just got buy signal here on the 4-hour super trend. If you pop on the alligator's flipping bullish on 4-hour. It is bullish on the hourly. We're most likely going to push up on AMC and see a continuation to the upside for GME. So green week for both of the meme stocks. Let's go ahead and move into a SPY in the overall market, show you guys what's going on there, and then we'll move into BTC and crypto and show you guys what's going on there. So SPY, as far as SPY is concerned, you guys can see the alligator is very, very bullish here on the hourly, 2-hour, 4-hour, even bullish. So we are in a bear flag on SPY and NASDAQ. I believe that we're going to see a blow off top type scenario here where you see a big push to the upside and a drop down hard. I do believe we're going to see mostly a green week here for the overall market as we start to trend up in this bear flag. I do believe this bear flag is going to collapse down and we could see bearishness later half of the week, but I believe SPY is mostly going to be trending up, heading up to the higher highs of this bear flag before eventually making a possible double top type scenario. So basically it'll come up this bear flag, break down, and if you guys look, that makes a double top, top one, top two. If you zoom out, that makes a clean double top scenario, which is what I'm expecting to see. So if you do see this double top come to fruition, you heard it here first. We are in a bear flag on the macro time frame on SPY, in my personal opinion. That means we're going to move up higher, and basically it's setting a bull trap where bulls will think we're actually recovering, but actually this is a bearish consolidation, which is going to lead to another drop down. We had this overall move up, drop down, bear flag, which is going to lead to another drop down, making that clean double top formation. Again, we have some reasons why that could happen here again as well. Trump tariffs are in effect. Also, if you guys haven't heard, Trump fired the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the BLS commissioner. So that's something else as well that could add uncertainty to the market. The tariffs are definitely adding uncertainty to the market. We also have some major data drops coming up this week. Inflation looking like pretty much like a mixed bag. So this could really go either way. Some numbers coming out higher, some numbers out lower. So we really need to see the actual numbers. The forecast and consensus is mixed as well. So not really clear as normal, where I'd be able to make a prediction off of that. So be ready for Tuesday. That's going to be inflation. We also have PPI on Thursday. That's going to be big. And then retail sales month over month and Michigan consumer sentiment on Friday, which is 2 major data drops as well. And that's going to be happening this week. But I think mostly we're going to see a green week as we're trending up. And then maybe in the later half of the week see some bearishness. But I believe as far as SPY is concerned, it's going to kind of move up here and then begin to break down out of this bear flag. So this is what I'm looking at for SPY in the overall market. As far as what you could see for tomorrow, you'll probably see a little bit of upside here pre-market. Then it will come down, finding support around 638. 64, 638.50, and then as long as it holds that, that's going to be a good sign of continuation to the upside. But it looks like SPY is going to inch a little bit higher before correcting down. But don't be surprised. Again, don't be surprised if this thing does make a steep correction down, as I think NASDAQ is setting up for a pretty nasty blow off top where you get a quick pop, a nice move to the upside, and then a rapid drop down. So be ready for that. It could provide a lot of opportunity for traders of SPY and of NASDAQ and QQQ. So do be ready for that, as there will be opportunities. If you're in the Discord, I'll make sure to put up any plays that I do see available. But this is what I'm looking at as far as SPY is concerned. Overall, a green week. Now let's go ahead and move into BTC and crypto. Show you guys what's going on there. Crypto looking like it's setting up for something particularly special, ladies and gentlemen. So I told you guys a few things to look out for if altcoin season was coming. We are seeing some signs, all right? BTC dominance coming down 58.5%. Ethereum dominance is coming up. Now, still nowhere near the numbers we want to see for an altcoin season. 12.6% here on Ethereum dominance. We want to see that higher to 15 or 20%. And we want to see Ethereum Bitcoin dominance as low as 50 or 45%. That would show that it is indeed altcoin season. You would also see altcoins outperforming BTC, but this is moving in the right direction for that. But that also means we could be entering the latest half of this bull run for the crypto market. So I want you guys to be aware of that as well. Bitcoin recently breaking above the sloping support and resistance. This is the sloping support and resistance that had us in a downtrend since the peak of 123,200. As you guys can see, breaking above that sets us up for a potential chance to make a new all-time high, which I do believe is actually going to be happening here soon. Right here on the smaller time frame, we are in a rising wedge, which is going to see price move up rapidly and then come down pretty hard. We'll probably find support, potentially even retesting this orange sloping support and resistance, but we'll probably find support around 115,000 to 113,000, and then we'll see a move towards all-time highs, in my personal opinion, as illustrated here with this white dotted line. Again, short term, we move up, then a little bit longer term, we break down, but overall macro, we're going to start ending this downtrend and start moving to the upside, potentially breaking for a new all-time high, hitting my ultimate price target here for BTC. Again, I've never missed a price target. That price target is 125,000. It also looks like we are potentially decoupling from the fractal at this point as well. It's giving me a lot more confirmation that we are doing that. And again, this is why I think we could see something very, very special for BTC. As you guys can see, crypto fear and greed starting to move into the greed section. Ethereum, again, starting to push up, tracking with my macro prediction. If you see Ethereum break above 4,341, holding that level, you're going to see a nice move to the upside. Ethereum is going towards my price targets that I predicted here. Make sure you guys follow me on Twitter/X, as I do give away predictions like this. Ethereum moving towards those overall price targets of 4.2 to 4.5K, which we talked about as early as July 20th. So again, make sure you guys follow me on there to get those types of predictions. We're breaking out of an overall macro accumulation, which is huge, okay? And if Ethereum starts to run and breaks for a new all-time high, it's going to get crazy. We're going to get an insane altcoin season. We're going to get an insane altcoin season if Ethereum does this. And we are getting a lot of confirmation, a lot, that not only is it going to go to the $4,500 mark that I thought but it is going to break a new all-time high, okay? Now, what we want to see is a continuation to the upside, but we are cleanly breaking out as we broke above, retested this sloping support and resistance as support, and pushed up. Again, similar scenario to what Bitcoin's in, except this is a macro accumulation that has been happening since 2021, ladies and gentlemen. ETH has been accumulating, and it looks like it's ready to break out, similar to what Bitcoin did here, where we had this macro accumulation here, all this accumulation, and then Bitcoin just got above all of that, using that as support and pushed up and broke out. That's what Ethereum is getting ready to do, and this is going to lead us into a nice, natural, booming altcoin season. Now, it's not going to be based off of hype and speculation. It will create some hype and speculation as the coins go crazy, but key coins like Cardano, XLM, XRP, ADA, those are going to be the coins that do well, in my personal opinion, in this move that we're going to see. ADA tracking with one of my predictions as well. As you guys can see, ADA getting ready to break out to the upside. We have a falling wedge here that's breaking out. I believe ADA is going to move up towards like $1.07, $1.25. Ethereum is what's really going to lead all of this and bring all of this in, as Ethereum is one of the biggest, or the biggest altcoin. And normally Ethereum is what runs first to bring in altcoin season. Normally that's what we see. So I think Ethereum is going to move towards 4.5, 4.8, and potentially a new all-time high. And if it does, other altcoins are going to follow. XRP, what we want to see for XRP as of right now. So we have a lot of sell orders and resistance at the key level of $3.35. We want to see XRP break above that. We do have this falling wedge in play, and we have a heavy set of buy orders here. That's that green block you see. It's at about $3.20 to about like $3.10 people are buying. But we also have resistance here. So they're trying to pin it so they can accumulate it. But it looks like XRP does want to pop up towards that $3.35. That's what we want to see. We want to see a clean break above $3.35. If we do that, that gives XRP the chance to move towards 350 or 366. Ultimate goal for XRP holders, breaking hold at 366, because if we do that, we go to price discovery mode. Next price targets would be $3.80 and $4 after that. If Ethereum does take off, you're most likely going to see XRP blast off as well. XRP recently getting some huge news, okay? Because Trump is making things pro-crypto. And again, there's been huge news in crypto. Crypto's allowed to go into 401ks, or it's getting legislation that's going to allow it to go into 401ks. Again, this is crypto mass adoption happening in front of your eyes. I already told you guys that. This is crypto mass adoption happening right in front of your eyes. And then also the SEC has ended the Ripple XRP lawsuit. So crypto's set up to moon, ladies and gentlemen. Fundamentally, technically, we're looking beautiful, and I can't wait to see what happens. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is your weekly outlook prediction. If you do hold crypto, man, congratulations. Just make sure that you are taking profit, taking risk off the table if you are up massively. But me personally, I'm holding. I'm buying and holding. I'm accumulating. I bought some recently here on live stream right before XRP blasted off, right before the lawsuit ended. Great buy. So I'm just buying, holding. I'll sell in 2035. Okay, I'll sell when I'm retiring. I sell if it's emergency, if I need cash. But I'm buying a whole, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know what about you guys. But again, this is your weekly outlook and prediction for stocks and crypto. If you made it this far, thank you so much, because so few people watch it to the end. And it helps me out immensely with the algorithm. It helps me out with everything. So I really appreciate that. We have a merch store if you guys want to check that out. I'm rocking some of the merch right now. If you guys want to check it out, support the channel in a different way, you guys can do that way. We also stream live, and you can drop live super chat, stuff like that. I think you guys saw one coming in at the beginning of the video, which I will shout you out for that, man. I appreciate that. Make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe if you want to support for absolutely free, and share the video as well. Leave a comment down below. Those are great ways to share and help for free. And as always, y'all, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out, fam. One take and one take only. Who gave me the super chat? Yo, thank you, Grant. Thank you, Grant, for the super chat. Sorry, I was doing a video, brother. Zelly Zen, what up? Is the stream lagging? ETH is green on the day now. Yeah, you made it. Glad to see you here. Shout out Grant 5150, Danny Lamb, and J Max. Thank you guys so much for the super chats on the weekend. That's insane. I appreciate that. It's raining outside. I hear it. I'm so hungry. My stomach's growling. I gotta get some food. Yo, shout out to anybody who watched my IRL video. Do I have it? I put August, right? All right, let me Alright, guys. I gotta head off stream, so the video will upload a little bit faster, but I appreciate anybody who's still watching, man. Thank you so much. Plus, I think the stream's lagging. But, I appreciate you guys, man. Hit the like button and subscribe on the way out. I think because I have the video uploading and everything in 4K, it's making the stream lag a little bit. I gotta make a video. I gotta make a cover. Yo, I appreciate anybody who watched this stream today, man. Make sure you tune in tomorrow. Shout out Zelly Zen, Kai Supreme, Andrew, Grant. I've been live 2 hours, so I'm going to shut the stream down, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.